Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Dubsado, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a line item to a Dubsado invoice? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to add a line item to your Dubsado invoice anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your clients are going to change the project, so you need to add another line item to their invoice. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Dubsado dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Dubsado, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a line item to one of your invoices, it's going to be handled at the project level. So over here on the left, click on projects. Once you do that, go ahead and look for the project that you need to add a line item into. So for example, this one right here. Once you click into the project, up here at the top, you're going to click on invoices. Okay, so once you're in the invoice, you're going to see the line items. So you can see this one has only one line item. But let's say that they added a new task that we need to bill them for. So all you're going to do is click right here, new line item. Okay, so now you can go ahead and just start filling this out. So invoice item name, deliver onions, and description, we delivered the best onions. All right, and let's go ahead and say this is one. We charge $500 for the tax. You can add that if it's applicable. And then category, let's say service, and add this as delivery, and then create. Okay, and then click add. Okay, so now you can see we've added a new line item to this invoice. So here we have 15 days marketing, local door to door, and we also delivered onions on the same invoice. So once that's been added as a line item, you can go ahead and resend it by clicking up here and via email or copy link. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a line item to an invoice in your Dubsado account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.